Welcome to Tech in the Car. In this video we're going to be unboxing and having a look at some of the features of the Thom Browne edition of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Here it is. Let's have a look inside. This box is amazing. It's so premium. You've got this letter inside which says Samsung, Thom Browne, New York. A shift in perspective, a world opened, the perfection of the fold. Welcome to the evolution of a unique collaboration. The precision of Thom Browne's iconic uniform merged with Samsung's visionary technology. An instrument for the discerning, a tool for the contemporary. Folded, the perfect smartphone. Unfolded, a world that's immersive and expansive. Geometric grey and signature multicolor stripe. A case for formal, a back cover for casual. New photo filters for a vision of the Thom Browne world. Classic ideas meet futuristic design in a premium device. Thank you for purchasing the Galaxy Z Fold 2 Thom Browne Edition. That's really cool. Let's have a look inside the box now. We've opened it up. So there are three boxes in here. There's the Samsung Watch 3. There are the Buds Live. And there is the Z Fold 2 itself, the phone. So we might as well start with this. So open up this beautiful red box, and inside we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 Thom Browne Edition. Let's have a look at it. You can see here that beautiful design on the back. Let's put that back in the box for a minute, or put that to one side even. And let's see what else is in the box. So look at these little bags. This is premium, it really is. And if I pull it out here, we have the USB-C cable. And this is braided, so it's not like the normal USB cables you get. And it's got the little Thom Browne colors on it as well. And it's got this little carrying bag, which is really, really cool. What about the power plug, the brick? What does that look like? Let's have a look. I think you know it's gonna look the same, but let's just have a look anyway and see. And it is. You can see here, you've got the Thom Browne colors, gray. This is a USB Type-C, European, UK charger point. Put that back in the bag here. That's what is inside the box for the phone. Let's put the phone back in here, and we'll look at it in a minute separately. Put that back there. What about the Buds Live? So this is a box for the Buds Live. Let's open this up. Of course it won't balance there. And there we have the Buds Live in the same Thom Browne grey. And look at that with the matte finish, or should I say shiny finish on there. Very cool. You can see the little Thom Browne colors. And then in here, you have a little case for it, top and bottom. Let's put them on. So which end is which? I'm guessing that's the top. And then this is the bottom. And there we go. Isn't that cool? And then we can open it up like that. Very cool, very sophisticated. And of course, the USB-C cable for charging it. It's got the Thom Browne's colors with the little button, and is braided. I mean, these bags are cool. I don't know, you could probably store other stuff in them as well. And of course, because these are headphones, there are replacement tips for the ends there in case your ears were a different size. Cool. So let's put that to one side. Let's look at the Watch 3. What's going to happen here when we open it? And here we go. This is the Galaxy Watch 3. You can see on this side there are different colors on the back to the front. The front is grey with the stripes. On the back it's got the Thom Browne red and blue colors. It's got the moving front rotating bezel. This is a 41mm Bluetooth only model, so it's not the cellular version. That's a slight disappointment. You would hope for the cellular version. It may be that Thom Browne feels that 41mm is the ideal size for both men and women, and that cellular isn't a requirement for the watch. So it might be a design decision, but it could also be price cutting. But anyway, really cool to have the watch in there. Now, I'm sure everyone knows who's seen this, because they probably watched other videos, that there's another straw here. And when I pull this straw out, we get more luxury. So we have the rear cases for the phone. This is the back only, and on the inside it says Thom Browne. It's got Thom Browne colors and it's got the stripes. And then we've got the folio cover. The folio cover has the colors on the front and on the inside, and it has Thom Browne kind of stitched on to here. And this also has magnets, so when you close the phone, the screen turns off as well. And then the straps in here, we have a sports strap, and we have another strap. I don't know if this is more casual or more formal, but this has got the stripes on that side, and on the inside it's just cream. Now, there's no doubt when buying a phone, one of the annoying things is having to buy all the accessories. That's not the case here. It comes with everything in this beautiful box. You've got the folio case, you've got the standard case, you've got the sports band, you've got the different design for the leather band, and then you've got the earbuds, you've got the watch, and you've got the phone. So you've got a whole bundle here. It's really nicely thought out. It's a very premium experience. The only thing which lets it down a bit is the watch being smaller and not having cellular. Of course, not everybody wants a bigger watch, but it would be nice, Samsung, to have the choice of choosing the watch, whether I want cellular or whether I want smaller. And if that costs slightly more, then so be it. But taking away that choice is a bit annoying. And also on the media images for the watch, it does show an LTE version of the watch. So it seems like either the renders weren't quite right or they changed their mind. So let's turn this on and have a look and see what it's like. And try very hard not to drop it on the ground in the process. So this is how it looks. Now, in terms of impressions of this, this is a matte finish like the Mystic Bronze Z Fold 2, and it feels really, really nice, I'm not gonna lie. I love the matte finish of the bronze. I just didn't like the blinginess of the hinge. The fact this is matte feels really nice. The other cool thing is here, where the stripe is, you can hear there's a noise. Now, in other videos I've watched where people have unboxed this, I always thought this was like some kind of sticker or some kind of fabric stuck on the back, but it's not. It's actually, the glass back has ridges in it, and this stripe is underneath. So they've actually put ridging in the glass back of this phone, and there's a little gap where the ridging stops, where it says Thom Browne. So that's a really nice attention to detail. The other thing is around the tops and the sides, it's smooth. So on both the Mystic Black and the Bronze, there's kind of a brushed finish along the top and bottom. That's not here, and I think it just makes it feel a lot smarter. I think overall this is a lot smarter. So let's turn it on and let's have a look and see. And here we go, here's the custom Thom Browne startup with a splash screen which says Thom Browne New York, to remind you that you have a Thom Browne phone. Because it's a folding phone, let's fold it. And then we have on the front here the Thom Browne wallpaper. So really cool, really nice. Silver hinge as well. So that's Thom Browne Edition Galaxy Z Fold 2. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more on tech in the car. Thank you very much and stay safe.